I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. Through the dark I stayed awake. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. Every step I never say, I will see the light of day. I've been walking with my head down, eyes forward, every move calculated, never forced it. They don't hear me, that's the advantage. Pressure build diamonds, not panic. Late nights, no applause clapping. Heart cold, mind sharp like a blade when it's fasting. I don't chase noise, I respect the distance. Silence my mentor, pain my assistant. 808 heartbeat, breath slow. Every step measured like a kendo. Lost friends, lost time, no regrets though. Everything took shape before the next road. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. Through the dark I stayed away. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. I will see the light of day. Every scar a price I pay. I will see the light of day. They confuse quiet for weakness. That mistake don't get repeated. I've been sharpening my focus. While they talk, I'm still in motion. No shortcuts, no saving grace. Only discipline etched in my face. Every loss turned into placement. Every breath holding anticipation. I don't rush wins, I wait clean. Victory tastes better unseen. When the lights hit, I won't blink. I earned this moment in between. If you knew what it took, you wouldn't ask why I'm calm. Storms don't scare men who learn to stand in them.